What do the Ramayana, Bali, Brahmos missile, maritime security, and the Indo-Pacific have in common? The answer is India and Indonesia. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's latest visit to Indonesia is not just another diplomatic tour. It is a strategic milestone that could redefine the future of the Indo-Pacific region. Today, let's explore the history, shared culture, strategic partnership, and the major agreements signed during their historic visit. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit to Indonesia marks an important step in strengthening India's Axis policy and the comprehensive strategic partnership between the world's largest democracy and Southeast Asia's largest economy. During the visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto held extensive discussion covering defense, trade, digital technology, AI, maritime security cooperation, energy, education, healthcare and cultural heritage. India and Indonesia have enjoyed close relations for nearly 2000 years. Long before modern diplomacy, Indian traders, monks and scholars traveled across the seas carrying ideas, culture, Sanskrit, Hinduism, Buddhism, architecture and literature. Even today, this cultural influence is visible throughout Indonesia. Bali remains predominantly Hindu. The Ramayana and Mahabharata are performed regularly. Ancient temples such as Prambanan reflect India's deep cultural imprint. During this visit, PM Modi and President Prabowo jointly launched restoration work at the UNESCO listed Prambanan temple, symbolizing the agreement strengthened Indonesia's maritime defense and represent a major milestone for India's defense export. Right? The two nations also agreed to deepen cooperation in naval exercises, maritime surveillance, defense manufacturing, military training, and coastal security. India and Indonesia occupy extremely strategic locations. Indonesia controls sea lane around the Strait of Malacca, one of the world's busiest shipping routes. India and Indonesia agreed to strengthen maritime cooperation, including continued work related to the strategic Sabang port and broader Indo-Pacific security initiatives. Economic cooperation continued to expand rapidly. Bilateral trade has crossed 28 billion US dollars, making Indonesia one of India's largest ASEAN trading partners. Future cooperation include digital economy, infrastructure, manufacturing, critical mineral, renewable energy, pharmaceutical, agriculture, food security. Both governments aim to further increase trade and investment in the coming years. The leaders agreed to strengthen collaboration in artificial intelligence, digital public infrastructure, cyber security, innovation, startup ecosystem, space technology. These areas are expected to become major pillars of future India-Indonesia cooperation. Thousands of Indian professionals, students, and entrepreneurs contribute to Indonesia's economy. The visit emphasized student exchange program, skill development, academic collaboration, tourism, cultural festival, youth exchanges. These initiatives aim to deepen people-to-people ties beyond government level engagement. Both countries support a free, open, inclusive, and rules-based Indo-Pacific. Their cooperation contributes to regional stability, freedom of navigation, secure sea lane, disaster relief, sustainable development. This shared vision is increasingly significant amid changing geopolitical dynamics. Now, why this visit matters? This visit is significant because it strengthens India's Act East policy, enhances India's role in ASEAN, expands defense export, boosts economic cooperation, revives countries' old cultural connections, promotes peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific. Right? Prime Minister Modi's Indonesia visit demonstrates that diplomacy today extends beyond political meeting. It brings together shared history, culture, security, trade, technology, and a common vision for the future. As India and Indonesia moves closer, this partnership has the potential to shape not only the future of Asia but also the broader Indo-Pacific region. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment, do you think the India-Indonesia partnership will become one of the strongest strategic partnership in Asia? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.